So our next question is integration of 1 plus cos²x by 1 minus cos2x into dx. Now let us check how to solve this problem step by step. Firstly, look at 1 minus cos2x. What is this? This is nothing but 2 sin²x. Right? So in place of denominator, we simply need to substitute it. Integration of 1 plus cos²x upon 2 sin²x dx. Now the second thing we have to do, firstly remove the constant before integral and then separate the two terms. Okay, is it clear? We removed 1 by 2, integration of 1 by sin²x plus cos² by sin²x into dx. My dear friends, as we are very good in trigonometry, so we have to focus 1 by sin²x is cosec²x, and cos theta by sin theta becomes cot theta. So here cos²x by sin²x is nothing but cot²x into dx. 1 by 2 cosec²x. Here let me give you what is this. Cot²x is equals to cosec²x minus 1. This comes from one identity of trigonometry, right? So cosec²x plus cosec²x minus 1 into dx. Now we have to solve further. Keep the constant as it is, 1 by 2, integration of cosec²x plus cosec²x becomes 2 cosec²x minus 1 into dx. Now let me separate the integrations. If we take it, the 2 in the denominator and this 2 gets cancelled. So integration of cosec²x dx minus 1 by 2 integration of 1 into dx. Integration of cosec²x is minus cot x. This directly comes from the formula. Then constant as it is minus 1 by 2. Integration of constant is nothing but x into x, and when we remove integral part, we have to add constant. So this is our answer, that is minus cot x minus 1 by 2 into x plus c.